So, you finally got that computer science degree. Years of late-night study sessions, caffeine-fueled exams, and professors who thought fun meant proving P equals NP on the blackboard. You graduate after 3 to 5 years, thousands in student debt, armed with knowledge about Turing machines, compiler theory, and enough math to traumatize a small village. You walk across the stage, diploma in hand, feeling like the chosen one. You imagine building the next Facebook, designing cutting-edge AI, or at least becoming the tech genius in your family. And then reality hits. Your very first task at your shiny new dev job? Fixing a button that won't center in CSS. Welcome to the industry. Here's the uncomfortable truth. A CS degree prepares you for theory. Abstract math, algorithms, compiler design, all impressive on paper. But when it comes to day-to-day programming, your boss doesn't care if you can prove big O notation. They care if you can ship features without burning down the codebase. Meanwhile, the self-taught developer who spent a year grinding tutorials on YouTube is already freelancing, shipping apps, and sometimes even making more money than you. And recruiters? They don't ask, did you pass algorithms and data structures too? They ask, can you solve problems, adapt quickly, and actually build something? That's why I say, your degree isn't worthless, but it's not the golden ticket you were promised either. Think of it like this. A CS degree is a ridiculously expensive toolbox. It looks shiny, it's filled with advanced gear, but if you never learn how to actually fix things with it, nobody's calling you a carpenter. Let's take a classic example. In college, you spent 3 weeks proving why bubble sort is inefficient. In real life, you'll never write your own sorting algorithm. You'll import a library and move on. You studied computer architecture in detail, but when production crashes at 2 a.m., you'll be Googling Docker container won't start, like everyone else. That's the disconnect. University teaches how computers should work. Industry teaches how things actually break. Now, does that mean skip college entirely? Not necessarily. A CS degree gives you credibility, forces you to understand fundamentals, and yes, it can still help you land interviews. But here's the twist. Tech is one of the only industries where your portfolio can beat your diploma. If you've built projects, contributed to open source, and can show real-world results, that's worth more than a framed certificate on your wall. Because at the end of the day, companies don't hire a piece of paper. They hire a person. It's not about the degree itself. It's about the person behind that degree. The curiosity, the persistence, and the ability to learn new things. That's what really matters. So here's my take. A CS degree is like training wheels. It can help you start, it can guide you, but if you never learn to ride without it, you'll crash the moment the real world takes the wheels off. And honestly, that should be motivating, because whether you studied at MIT or learned from a random coding bootcamp, you've got the same shot. If you stay curious, keep building, and never stop learning. So, what do you think? Is a CS degree still worth it in 2025? Or is it just an overpriced bootcamp with extra math? Let me know your hot take in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this little reality check, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with that one friend who's still paying off $50,000 in student loans.